Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Harun's Window. Today in this video I will show you how to create a QuickBooks online company account with a 30 days free trial. If you are new to QuickBooks, don't worry. This video is completely beginner friendly. By watching this video, you will learn step by step how to open your free trial QuickBooks online company account. At present, many beginner QuickBooks Online users are unable to create a 30-day free trial company account. For this reason, I felt the need to provide proper guidelines on how to create a QuickBooks Online company account on a trial basis. To create a QuickBooks Online company account, you must have an Intuit account, an active Gmail account, and basic company information as required by QuickBooks Online. This is the file that I previously prepared with the company information required for creating a QuickBooks Online company account. First, I am going to open the Chrome browser. Then search for QuickBooks Online. Now we can see the QuickBooks Online official website. You will also see the option Try 30 days free trial. Now click on it. Next, I update my required country and preferred language. Here I am selecting the country United Kingdom. Confirm country. Switch to United Kingdom. Now we can see plan and pricing in this website. Click plan and pricing. Here we can see 4 plans: Simple Start, Essential, Plus, and Advanced. QuickBooks Online mostly used in small and medium-sized business. From these 4 plans, Plus plan is more usable. Here we can see 2 options. One is buy now and save, and another is free trial for 30 days. I will select free trial for 30 days. Now select choose plan. Here are 2 options, core payroll and advanced payroll. We will select core payroll plan. So select choose plan. To create a QuickBooks Online account, you must have an Intuit account. I already have an Intuit account. Now create sign in. This is my email address. Again sign in. Password already done. Now continue. This is all company account that I created in previous. Select create a new company. Welcome. We are glad you are here. Now click Next. What's your business name? My business name is Demotech Solutions LC. Next. What were you using before QuickBooks? You can select Nothing, I am new to this, or Zero, QuickBooks Desktop, or Spreadsheet. Select Spreadsheet. Now next, how long has Demotech Solutions LC been in business? You can select 1 to 2 years, 3 to 5 years, 6 to 10 years, 10 plus years. So now I select 3 to 5 years. Next, what's your industry? My industry is IT service or software development. Next, what was your company's annual revenue last year? Less than 500K. Next, what kind of business is this? My business type is limited company. So select limited company. Next, what's your main role at Demotech Solution LC? Bookkeeper or accountant? Next, is Demotech Solution LC your main source of income? Yes. Next, who works at this business? Next, what do you want to do in QuickBooks? I want to do all things in QuickBooks. So select. Next, what should we do first? Get ready to invoice. Next, let's add a personal touch to your invoice. Skip for now. Make it easy for people to pay invoice instantly. No thanks. Next, link your accounts and see everything in one place. Skip for now. How do you track your receipts today? Skip for now. Keep your receipts and maximize deductions. Skip for now. How much have you used QuickBooks? I can do a few things. Done. Ready to book your onboarding call? Not right now. Next. You are on your way. Let's go. Good evening, Mohammed. Demotech Solutions LC. Now, company account create completed. This is QuickBooks Online Dashboard. QuickBooks Online Dashboard is new looking and updated and very much attractive. So these are the process of create a QuickBooks Online company account with a 30 days free trial. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also request you to share this video so that others can benefit as well. Thank you very much for watching my video. Inshallah, I will see you again in another video. I hope you will stay connected with my channel always. Thank you once again.